Dear children, today is the story A Wise Old Owl. There was an old owl who lived in an oak tree. Every day he observed incidents that occurred around him. Yesterday he watched as a young boy helped an old man carry a heavy basket. Today he saw a young girl shooting at her mother. The more he saw, the less he spoke. As the days went on, he spoke less but heard more. The old owl heard people talking and telling stories. He heard a woman saying an elephant jumped over a fence. He heard a man saying the had never made a mistake. The old owl had seen and heard what happened to people. There were some who become better, some who become worse. But the old owl in the tree had become worse each and every day.